In today's video, I'm going to teach you to be able. How to track your finances using Notion, Part 1. In this first part, we'll get the groundwork in place by using ChatGPT to find a Notion-focused helper that can generate a clear, customizable system for tracking your income, expenses, and balances. Think of this as preparing the blueprint before we build. Start by opening ChatGPT. If you're using a browser, head to the ChatGPT site. If you're in the app, just launch it as you normally would. Once you're in, look for the Explore option. It's typically visible on the home screen or sidebar and opens a gallery of specialized assistants designed for different tasks. In the search bar, type the word Notion. You should see a few relevant results appear, including Notion Expert GPT and Notion Templates Creator. These are curated helpers. The Notion Expert GPT is great for strategy, structure, and best practices, while the Notion Templates Creator focuses on producing ready-to-use layouts. Either one can help us draft a solid finance tracker design with properties, formulas, and views that make sense. Here, I'll click one of them based on what I want first. If I need guidance, I'll pick the Expert. If I want something pre-structured, I'll go with the Template Creator. After selecting it, click Start Chat. This opens a dedicated conversation where responses are tailored to Notion workflows. Now you're ready to input your prompt. Be specific so the assistant can produce a well-structured finance system. For example, you might say, I want a Notion finance tracker for personal budgeting. Create a main transactions database with properties for date, amount, category, account, type, income or expense, payment method, notes, and a formula to calculate running balance. Add views for monthly summary and category breakdown, plus a simple dashboard. Please include step-by-step setup instructions and any formulas I'll need. You can mention your preferred currency, typical categories you spend in, or how you'd like to see summaries, like weekly or monthly. If the first draft isn't perfect, refine your prompt. Ask for clearer property names, alternative formulas, or additional views, such as a bills view with due dates. The goal here is to generate a clean, consistent plan we'll implement in Notion in the next part. Save the response or keep the chat open for easy reference. That's it for part 1. You've identified the right Notion-focused assistant, started a tailored chat, and crafted a precise prompt to produce your finance tracking blueprint. In part 2, we'll take this plan into Notion and build it step by step.